This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your phone for the best price. First, ensure all your precious data is safely backed up, perhaps to a cloud service or an external drive. Then, perform a complete factory reset to wipe all personal information, protecting your privacy. Give your device a thorough cleaning, making it look its absolute best. Finally, gather all original accessories, like the charger and headphones, as these can significantly increase its value. Now, let's explore where to sell your device. Online marketplaces like eBay or Swappa offer a wide audience, potentially leading to higher prices. Don't overlook trade-in programs from your carrier or the phone's manufacturer, which provide convenience. For local sales, apps like Facebook Marketplace can connect you with buyers nearby. Alternatively, specialized electronics buyers might offer a quick, hassle-free cash transaction, though perhaps at a slightly lower price point. Setting the right price is crucial for a quick and profitable sale. Research current market values for your exact phone model, considering its condition, storage capacity, and any included accessories. High-quality photos are essential. Take clear, well-lit pictures from several angles to showcase your device. Craft a detailed description, highlighting key features and honestly stating its condition. A compelling listing can attract more serious buyers and help you achieve your desired price. Finally, let's ensure a safe and smooth transaction. If meeting in person, always choose a public, well-lit location for your safety. For payment, opt for secure methods such as PayPal for online sales or cash for in-person exchanges. Always verify that the payment has cleared before you hand over your phone. Consider providing a simple bill of sale for both your records, offering peace of mind for both parties involved in the transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.